everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I had a little bit of a hiatus there. I'm planning on moving my video schedule to be every other week now. It's a lot to sew something once a week to get up for you guys when I have a full-time job. So that will be coming up. So we'll be doing every other Friday starting with this video. So the next one will be 2 Fridays from now. But yeah, hello, welcome. Today we're starting a series too. Lots of big announcements today. I decided to make this kind of like jeans hack / tricks video so that you guys can keep your jeans for longer. So with the first video was that dyeing denim black video that I did a month ago, 2 months ago, something like that. And now there's this one where we're gonna be ripping some jeans that they're actually the jeans I dyed in that one because I decided I wanted to rip them. But yeah, so we have that. I'll have like ones of like how to hem your jeans, how to take them in at the waist, lots of other fun stuff with denim because, you know, jeans are life for a lot of us. But yeah, let's get into ripping these denim and making them look super distressed and fun. So the supplies you will need is a pair of scissors, a seam ripper, tweezers, chalk or some sort of writing utensil, and sandpaper. First, start by trying on your jeans and marking where you want the rips to be, as well as if you're cutting off the hem to have a distressed hem, fold up where you want that hem to be. Now for cutting off the hem, you're gonna just have one leg rolled and then the other unrolled. Line them up so that they are exactly even, pulling at the center crotch seam and the hem, and then cut off where the folded one is, and then cut off the other side to match. And to finish, just pull. For the knee rips, you're going to cut 2 to 4 different slits to create a rip. So 2 slits is going to be a smaller rip and 4 slits is going to be a bigger rip. This just gives you more customization with how large you want these rips to be, but you want to put them about a finger width apart from each other, and then you're going to pull at the seams to loosen all those loose threads so you get just the horizontal ones going across the rip. To distress the edges further, you're going to take a piece of sandpaper and roughly rub the edge of the hem or the edge of the rip to create more loose flyaways. And then you're going to want to try on your jeans a few times just to make sure you're liking where the rips are. And if you want to go bigger, it's always easier to go bigger than it is to put them, make them smaller again. So I tried on mine like 2 or 3 times to just make sure I had the rips where I wanted them and the amount I wanted. And yeah, just making sure I really liked my placements. And then once you are all done, pop them in the dryer for a quick fluff with no heat, just to help roughen up those edges, and they'll continue to fray more and more as you wash them. And here are the finished jeans. And that's it. That's how you rip and distress your denim. It's pretty easy. It's maybe took me 15 minutes, 30 minutes to make them. Well, probably 30 minutes if you count for like drying to like rough up the edges. But yeah, it's a super fast, simple project that you can do at home. And yeah, I'm excited for this new jeans denim series on my channel, and I hope you are too. Leave me a comment down below what kind of jean denim hack you want to see next. I will gladly do that. And yeah, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, all those wonderful things that help the Instagram or the YouTube algorithm show you my videos more. Bye.